Welcome to news reading. Welcome to news reading. The Hindu. The Hindu. Friday, August 1st, 2025. India is a bright spot space center amid Trump's attack. Trump says, I don't care what India does with Russia. They can take their dead economies down together for all I care. We are in the process of choosing the oil company that will lead this partnership with Pakistan. Who knows? Maybe they will be selling oil to India someday. Donald Trump is saying the future plan in connection with Pakistan. India and Russia could take their Dutch economies down together, US President Donald Trump said barrage among a barrage of statements targeting India on Thursday, a day before the 25% tariff announced on Indian imports by US is set to take effect. A very shocking news. Malegaon blast. Special NIA court acquits all seven accused. Almost 17 years after a bomb blast killed six people in the Maharashtra town Malegaon, a special court acquitted all seven accused, including former BJP MP Pragya Singh Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Purohit, saying that the prosecution had failed to prove its case. Yes. Former BJP MP Pragya Singh Thakur, an accused in the case, on her way to a court in Mumbai on Thursday. Press Trust of India. On another news, very important news, Kerala Education Minister Shivankuti calls for talks on school vacation timings. Proposal to switch the April-May summer vacation to June-July monsoon holidays, a very important and essential one. General Education Minister V. Shivankoti has proposed a public discussion on whether the government should adjust the academic year and vacation schedule for schools considering the concerning loss of class time due to climate change, include weather fluctuations, particularly intensified monsoon and the company and accompanying risk of floods and rain havoc. Mr. Shunguti told a press conference here on Thursday that education experts had repeatedly flagged the worrying loss of study days caused during the school reopening phase in June. When the monsoon sets in Kerala, Mr. Chunguti said he had raised the prospect of switching the April-May summer vacation to June-July monsoon holidays at public meetings in some schools and asked students and teachers to raise their hands to indicate support. Quite a few did, while others applauded, he added. Very good, very good. United in dissent. The metropolitans of the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church protesting against the arrest of nuns at the church headquarters in Kottayam on Thursday. The nuns arrested. Central Travancore sees huge protests by churches. A wave of protest is sweeping the region. Idukki Diocese holds a massive demonstration in Kattappana on Thursday, while Kodamangalam Diocese is set to stage a similar protest in Thuduvilla on Friday too. The prolonged In what is it? Panirselvam Kids NDA. OPS. Oh, Panirselvam hits NDA. Chennai. After deciding to quit the National Democratic Alliance and terminating his relationship with the Bharatiya Janata Party, former Chief Minister and former coordinator of the All India Anna Dravida Muneta Kazhagam, O. Panneerselvam, on Thursday met Chief Minister and Dravida Muneta Kazhagam President M. K. Stalin on two separate occasions. Once during his morning walk at the Theosophical Society in Adayar, and later in the evening at the Chief Minister's residence in Alvarpet in Chennai. In the morning, the leaders' interaction was said to have lasted 15 minutes. In the evening, Mr. Paneerselvam, accompanied by his son and former Theni MVP Ravindranath Kumar, met the Chief Minister at his residence in Alvarpet. They held discussions with him and Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin for about 14 minutes. Skeleton remains found at a burial site in Dharmasthala, Karnataka. Officials say 15 bones were found and at the site and a few were broken. According to experts, the remains were prima facie of a man. Mangaluru. After 2 days of excavation at five alleged burial sites in Dharmasthala town in Karnataka failed to yield any results. The special investigation team recovered some skeletal remains from the sixth spot that was dug up on Thursday. The special investigation team officials said 15 bones were discovered and no skull was found at the sixth site. A few of these bones were broken. A forensic expert at the spot said that prima facie the bones seemed to be of a male. A final opinion would be given only after a forensic examination, SIT officials said. What is going on there in the Dharmasthala? What had happened earlier? Bajrangadal forced us to make a false statement against nuns. Tribal woman says that the police put in remarks that she had not made and that she was threatened to stay silent. What is Raipur? Kamleshwari Pradhan, one of the tribal women, the Kerala nuns jailed in Chhattisgarh, are accused of trafficking, has alleged that she was coerced and tortured by Bajrangadal members to give a false statement. Nurse Preeti Mary and Vandana Francis, along with Narayanpur resident Sukhman Mandhavi, were charged with trafficking and forcibly converting the women, and subsequently arrested at Durg railway station after a Bajrangadal member, Ravi Nigam, lodged a complaint against them. Brinda Karat flies arrest of nuns in manufactured case. Raipur, Brinda Karat had met the arrested women in jail, PTI, calling the recent arrest of two Kerala-based Christian nuns and a Narayanpur resident in Chhattisgarh, Durg on charges of trafficking and religious conversion, a manufactured case. Communist Party of India Marxist leader Brinda Karat has alleged that the action announced amounted to an infringement of the rights of the tribal women. Are there separate rules for Adivasis adopted to men who want to leave voluntarily to look for employment elsewhere? Do they need a passport from Bajrangadal to travel? Asked Ms. Karat. who had met the nuns Preeti Mary and Vatana Francis and Shukman Mantavi, a tribal woman in jail on Wednesday. She said that preventing Miss Mantavi and the nuns from traveling and demanding documentation were discriminatory.